always, Alyssa. Today, I'm at an amazing theme park in Branson, Missouri called Silver Dollar City. You guys ready to have some fun? Let's go! I just changed into this super cute Silver Dollar City shirt, and now we're gonna go on a ride. We're going on a train right now. Shoes in our seats. Here we go! Look at that cool ride up there, has a corkscrew. Now we're gonna go get some food. I got the brisket grilled cheese. The sandwich is super good. We're about to go on Thunderation. That ride was super fun and super fast. We have this huge ball right here and it's so hot outside. It feels so good with all the water coming off. Right now we're ordering some really tasty frozen lemonade treats. Ooh, this looks super good. Okay, now I'm gonna try it. It's really good. The cream is so good. We're about to go on the Electro Spin. We just went on that one and it was super fun. It was like super fast and went up and down. It was awesome. We're getting on the teacup ride. Here we go. That was so much fun. Owen loved it. We're going right now to see the Harlem Globetrotters.
Oh, Alyssa got the last seat. All right.
Now we're heading to Time Traveler. This one is so fun. The AC feels so good here because it's super hot outside. There's literally no light. This is awesome. Ooh, you can see the ride outside the window. It looks so fun. I'm so excited. This is going to be awesome. It's one of my favorite rides here, for sure. Look at the cool decorations. We're about to board on the next ride. We're getting on the ride now. That ride was super awesome. It was so fast and smooth. It was the best. Next stop is cinnamon bread, my favorite treat. We got the peach one and it looks so good. It's peach cinnamon bread. Cinnamon bread is literally the best. This is so good. We finished our delicious cinnamon bread and now we're heading towards the barn swing. We're in the line now and it seems like it's gonna be a pretty short wait, which is awesome. We're getting on the ride. It's super tall. We made it. Looks like we're getting the last train of the day. We just did the Outlaw Run and it was crazy. It was like super shaky, but it was very fun. I loved it. The park is pretty much empty except for us. And now we're gonna start heading out. This ride looks super fun and we're gonna be doing it tomorrow. I'm so excited. It's the next day and we're in the taffy shop. This looks super good. It's mint chocolate chip, my favorite. I just tried the mint and it was super good. They're making me happy right now. Right now we're about to ride Mystic River Falls and I'm so excited. It has a 4-story drop.
We're about to go up that huge tower right there.
This is the scariest part of the whole entire ride. Oh gosh. We're flying in a boat. We're flying.
It's turning us around. Whoa, we're spinning.
I know it's gonna be okay, but I'm just scared. Oh no!
No, we're safe. We're safe now. We're safe now.
Got them! No! They're getting too red!
I'm backwards.
There they are.
Hold on to the center ring.
You're right, man. That was intense. How was it, guys? Oh, there's more.
I didn't get quite as drenched.
Yeah, you're not that wet. I'm pretty drenched.
That was her sock. We stopped for dinner and we ordered some delicious food. And we're right next to a ride. I got a bread roll, Brussels sprouts, beans, and chicken. And of course, lemonade, my favorite. The food here is so good. We just finished dinner and now we're gonna go on a ride. Now we're going on the ride Wildfire. That was so awesome, I loved it.
You love it. It's so smooth and it's like pretty fast. It's really good. It's one of my favorites.
Well, I hope you guys liked my video today. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up and always comment ideas for future videos if you want. And if you've ever been here, it's super fun. If you haven't been, definitely go to Silver Dollar City. It is the best. I had so much fun. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and I'll see you later. Bye!